Rosa runs a deli. 2 weeks, no blanket discounts, one small change, and more regulars came back without overworking her team. Today, we'll show you how to run that 14-day pilot.
Let me set the scene. Before, Rosa was fighting margin leak from constant 10% coupon days, and staff were rushing to keep up. After her 2-week pilot, the core regulars came back more often, and the team actually breathed easier. It wasn't magic, it was design and limits. I'll tell you the one small win that proved the approach.
Here's what we promise this episode. You'll walk away able to calculate a one-line staff burden score, pick a margin-safe mechanic, we'll run a live mini upgrade test, and launch a 2-week pilot with clear stop-go rules and a privacy-first opt-in. Tools allowed, your point of sale, a basic spreadsheet, and 14 days of disciplined measurement. No fancy tech required.
Quick heads up on scope. We're focused on human-first pilots. Keep staff workload low, protect margins, and create easier routines. We avoid blanket discounts and gimmicks that train customers to wait for sales. Let's jump into Topic 1, finding high-value behaviors to target.
Topic 1. Find high-value behaviors. Look for simple signals in your sales. Customers who come in more than twice a month, orders that add a small side item, or weekday morning visitors who could be nudged to become lunch regulars. If you can export a few columns from your POS, anonymized customer ID, visit date, items purchased, and order total, you're set.
Here's a fast one-line segmentation step you can do in a spreadsheet. Count visits per 30 days, then flag customers with 2+ visits as core, 1 visit as at risk, and 3+ as champions. From there, look at frequency by weekday and average add-ons. Those add-on patterns tell you what kind of low-cost perk will actually move the needle.
And the staff burden score, our one-line operational guardrail. Staff burden score equals extra minutes per new visit times expected new visits per day divided by total staff minutes available per day. Keep the number low. Under 0.05 is safe. 0.05 to 0.15, monitor closely. Above 0.15, you're risking staff burnout or inconsistent delivery.
If a mini upgrade takes 2 extra minutes and you expect 10 incremental visits a day, that's 20 minutes extra. If your staff together work 400 minutes a day, your burden score is 20 divided by 400 equals 0.05, right at the monitor threshold. That's why we pilot, to measure before scaling.
Topic 2. Design a margin-safe mechanic. We like 3 classes of margin-safe mechanics. 1. Mini upgrades, small paid add-ons or complementary, low-cost enhancements. 2. Experiential perks, little surprises that cost pennies but feel premium. 3. Convenience or priority perks that don't bite margin but add perceived value.
Concretely, mini upgrade example. Offer a small side like a house pickled veggie for $1 or a toast and spread upgrade for 75 cents. Experiential, a handwritten thank you sticker or a mini sample of a new spread. Convenience, priority pickup time slots for pilot members. Prefer those over % off discounts.
All right, live test. We'll run a short role play of the mini upgrade being offered at checkout. Sarah, can you play the staff behind the counter? I'll play the customer.
Sure. I'm Rosa's barista for this demo. Hey, today we're featuring a quick toast and spread upgrade. Add it for 75 cents. Would you like to try that with your order? It's our little favorite.
75 cents. Yeah, I'll try that. Short and simple. The staff script stays tight, under 5 words of pitch, and the ad is low cost. That's the kind of mechanic you can train in 10 minutes.
Important training note. Role play this with staff on day 0 until the pitch is natural. Time the extra steps, update the POS quick key for the ad, and put a visual cue at the till so offers are consistent. That consistency protects both margin and customer experience.
Topic 3. Run the 14-day pilot. Keep it small and disciplined. Day 0, staff role play in a 60-second kickoff stand-up that sets expectations. Days 1 to 14, execute the offer. Record 3 KPIs each day: return rate among enrolled customers, revenue per visit for those customers, and cost per incremental visit. Track the staff burden score daily.
Your stop-go rules should be simple. Stop if staff burden score rises above 0.15 for 2 consecutive days, or if cost per incremental visit exceeds your conservative cap in 2 days. Go to scale only if return rate improves and staff reports the program is low friction. And do a 60-second daily stand-up. Quick wins, roadblocks, data check.
Here's a sample 60-second stand-up script you can use on the floor. 1 sentence on results. Enrollment today, returns today. 1 friction, what slowed you down. 1 fix, who owns it tomorrow. Keep it fast. The stand-up is your safety valve. It keeps staff heard and you seeing issues early.
Privacy and opt-in. Say this verbatim at point of sale or on the sign-up. If you'd like to join this 2-week pilot and receive small perks and occasional updates, say yes at checkout or sign, I agree to receive pilot rewards and occasional updates from business name. Use that line exactly and only enroll customers who explicitly agree. Don't export raw PII. Keep the list internal.
Panel practicals and trade-offs. Quick shares. I'll talk like a retention marketer. Friction IC is reward design that erodes margin. 1 fix, set a conservative cost per reward cap in your pilot spreadsheet and prefer experiential perks over % off.
I'll speak as the operations advisor. Friction is inconsistent staff delivery. Fix, make the pitch 3 words max. Role play until it's muscle memory and run that 60-second daily stand-up. If staff say it feels like extra work, pause. The staff burden score will show why.
Listener reflection and quick Q&A. Ask yourself, do we have a repeat cohort that's already close to returning? Can we add a small cost bump or experience that fits existing workflows? Will the burden score stay under 0.15? If you can answer yes to these, you're a good pilot candidate.
Quick Q. How will I know if it's working after 14 days? Look for a measurable bump in return rate among enrolled customers and a positive revenue per visit change without a spike in staff burden. Use the provided analysis template to compare week before baseline to pilot period.
Wrap, we built a practical, low-tech 14-day loyalty pilot. The Staff Burden Score, a margin-safe mini upgrade we tested live. Clear daily cadence, the exact opt-in phrase to read aloud, and stop-go rules you can copy. Download the segmentation checklist, reward matrix, staff scripts, the 14-day pilot checklist, and the opt-in line on our site.
And one last thing. Before you go run this, plan 1 short role play, 1 tiny spreadsheet check, and 1 60-second stand-up on day 0. Those 3 steps protect margins and your team. Try it, measure it, and let the data tell you whether to extend.
Next episode tease, we'll walk through the exact spreadsheet we used to model worst-case margin impact and show real numbers from Rosa's Deli. You'll be able to drop the sheet into your own numbers and see in minutes whether a pilot makes sense. Okay, that's it for today.